You are watching Comics and More. Hit that subscribe button and hit notification bell to get the latest from this channel.
Welcome to Comics and More. Okay, today I'm gonna show you what's inside my Kikay kit. Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Powder Foundation. Baby Skin Pore Eraser by Maybelline. Fit Me Foundation. One shade of 120 Classic Ivory. Maybelline Brow Pencil. Eyebrow pencil. Okay. Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. Everbelina Eyeliner in Black. Tony Moly Tony Tint Delight. Forget the shade. Water Candy Tint. 2 hairpins. And a tweezer. So that's it. Okay, share your thoughts by leaving a comment below, liking this video, and subscribe into our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.